Hey guys, this is my first unboxing video. This is the Slithering Hippo Aa7. I got it through the pre-release that they were having on Facebook. Just got it today. Alright, so it came with the toxic string, I believe. Pretty nice pouch here. Get the box out of the way. So, we got the Galaxy colorway. Pretty much the best one to get in my opinion. Just looking at the ones, all the pictures on Facebook and all that, looks great into the light. So again, here's the pouch, pretty nice. Here's the yo-yo, looks pretty sweet. Here, let me get a light on. Light makes it stand out way better. Not the greatest angle, but you can see, get the idea what's going on there. Beefcake's bearings. I don't know if it's going to focus on that close, but let's pull it apart for you guys. That's A size bearing, silicone response. Don't have the dimensions or weight handy for me, but I'll post it in the comments. What is going on? Here we go. You go, check it out. Like I said, it's silicone response. Pretty nice. Alright, I got a video of it spinning on the end here because, like I said, it's awesome. Alright, take it easy, guys.